Alright, as you all can see on Ostringer, you can make 230 by just inviting your friends. So invite your friends and earn up to 230. If 230 is not too small for you to earn, so this video is for you. Make sure you stay tuned to the video because I'll be showing you step by step how you can get the 230 for yourself. So as you all see, earn 20% per referral up to $60. Your friend gets 20% too. So you both earn 20% on every stuff your person use. So this is how do referral work. So you send an invite, send your friends a referral link so they can choose a plan, or you can choose one for them. They buy a plan, earn reward when they buy hosting, VPS and email plans. So you get paid, choose for paper, wire transfer or getting Messenger credit. So and this is also important to let you guys know because they have 120k plus refer their friends, 4 million plus USD in commission paid, 395 earned on average per year. They are reliable. You can ask your friends, you can make your research about this platform, about how their referral work. So I'll be showing you how you can sign up and how you can make more money for yourself on the platform and what Osinja is about. So now you have to know what this website is about before you can even get their link and send it to your friends and family. So what they do is, you see, drag and drop website builder. Build and edit your website with template, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, Node.js apps, agency hosting, migrate a website, Google Workspace, email marketing, e-commerce, e-commerce, manage hosting for WooCommerce, domain name search. So they did a lot of things on Hostinger. So just check them out. So and if you want to register with them, just click on my account or open an account. So it's very easy to sign up with Hostinger. They are very trust and reliable. But before you proceed to any step, make sure you do your own research, your own personal research if you are good to go or you are not good to go. So if you enjoy watching the video, you know what to do. Just subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with your friends and family for them to also gain. Because this video is just me showing how you can make money online very easy without you doing some illegal stuff. You can make money on an illegal way by doing some easy task to make money. So I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.